Good morning students, welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have completed the chapter The Fisherman and the Genie. Today I am summing up the theme of the chapter The Fisherman and the Genie, and we will also discuss some comprehension questions based on the text. So students, as we have discussed that a poor fisherman lived with his wife and children near the sea in a small hut, lived in a small hut near the sea. So the fisherman used to go to the sea to catch fish. One day he went to the sea, went near the sea or went to the sea, and he threw the net into the sea, or he threw the net into sea. And when he threw the net into the sea for first time, then it appeared heavy, and when he pulled out the net, he found a log, a piece of a log of wood. He found a log of wood there. So the fisherman became quite sad. So now he threw the net for the second time to the sea. So this time it also appeared heavy. So now when he pulled out the net, he found some shells like the oysters, snails, etc., and some stones, large stones there. So he became very disappointed, he became very sad. So he threw the net for the last time or for the third time into the sea, and this time it also appeared heavier. So now when the fisherman started pulling out the net out of the sea, then he found a brass jar. He found a brass jar with a lid on it. So now the fisherman became very curious to know that what may be inside this brass jar. So with his curiosity, so he started opening the lid of the brass jar, and when he opened the lid of the brass jar, then a lot of smoke started emerging, started coming out from the brass jar, and in the smoke appeared a genie with a giant shape, with a large shape appeared a genie. Students, as we have discussed, genie are magical spirits. Generally, they are mentioned in the Arabic or Islamic or Muslim story, traditional stories. Such type of magical spirits are mentioned. So, genie is a magical spirit that is mentioned generally in the traditional Muslim and Arabic stories, who can take the shape of a human being or an animal, and also can take control of a person. So now suddenly a genie started emerging out of the brass jar, and seeing the genie, the fisherman started screaming. The fisherman started making a loud sound with fear, and now the genie shouted that I am going to kill you. So now when the genie wanted to kill the fisherman, so now the fisherman pleaded, now the fisherman requested to the genie that I have not done any harm to you, and rather I help you to come out from this jar. So I have helped you to come out from this jar, and I have not done any harm to you. You have been present inside this jar for a long period of time, and I helped you to come out from this jar, but you want to kill me. So don't kill me, please don't kill me. But the genie told that I have remained inside this jar for a long period of time, and now I want to kill you. So when the genie wanted to kill the fisherman, now an idea came to the mind of the fisherman. Now the fisherman told, okay, you want to kill me, you can kill me, but I don't believe your lies. I don't believe your story that you have remained inside this brass jar. You are so large, you are so giant, and with such a giant figure, with such a large figure, how you remain inside this brass jar? Actually you are telling lies, and I don't believe your story. And when the fisherman told this thing to the genie, now the genie became very angry, and with his anger he started shouting, how dare you to tell me, or how dare you to tell me that I have not remained inside this jar, and how you are daring to tell that I am telling you the lies? Actually, I can take any shape, I can take any form. I can take the form of a huge elephant. I can take the form of a huge elephant, and also I can take the, not only I can take the shape of a huge elephant, but also at the same time I can take the shape of a small ant. Okay, so I can take any form as I wish. I can take any form as I wish. If I wish, then I can take the shape of an elephant, or I can take the shape of an ant. So now when the genie told like this, now the fisherman told, is it so that can you take the shape of an ant? Then the genie immediately agreed and took the shape of an ant, and taking the shape of an ant, now the genie entered into the brass jar. The moment the genie entered into the brass jar, immediately the fisherman shut the lid of the brass jar, okay, and with a grin and relaxment, with a grin, now the fisherman told to the genie, okay, grin means with a wide smile. Now the genie told to the now the fisherman told to himself, okay, dear friend, now I believe your story. Okay, dear friend, now I believe your story that you have emerged, you have came out from this brass jar. Okay, so now the fisherman smiled widely and threw the jar along with the genie remaining inside this jar into the sea, okay, and returned home happily. So students, this is the theme of the chapter, the fisherman and the genie. So let's discuss some comprehension questions based on the text. The first question is, who are there in this story? Students, in this story there is a fisherman and a genie are there in this story. Okay, who are there in this story? A fisherman and a genie are there in this story. Where did the fisherman lived? The fisherman lived in a hut along with his wife and children near the sea. Then what did the fisherman do at the sea every day? The fisherman went to the sea every day to what? The fisherman went to the sea every day and caught fish. What did the fisherman see in his net when he pulled out the third time? When the fisherman pulled out the net for the third time, he saw a big brass jar with a lid. Then what did the fisherman do with the brass jar? The fisherman took out the brass jar and opened its lid. What happened when he opened the lid of the brass jar? Students, when the fisherman opened the lid of the brass jar, a lot of smoke came out from this brass jar and suddenly a genie emerged out of this. Then what did the genie say to the fisherman when he came out of the jar? What did the genie say to the fisherman when he came out of the jar? The genie said to the fisherman to kill him. The genie said to the fisherman to kill him when he came out of the jar. What idea did the fisherman get to get rid of the genie? So the fisherman, or he planned to get the genie into the brass jar again by his cleverness. So the fisherman planned to get the genie into the brass jar again by his cleverness. Then next question, what form did the genie take to get into the jar again? Students, the genie took the shape of an ant in order to enter into the brass jar again. Next question, what did the fisherman do when the genie got into the jar? When the genie got into the jar, then immediately or suddenly the fisherman shut the lid of the jar. Then the last question, what did he do to the jar and the genie in the end? In the end, he threw the jar containing genie into the sea. In the end, he threw the jar containing genie into the sea. So students, today we have completed the last lesson of your book, The Fisherman and the Genie. Goodbye. Praying for your bright future. God bless you.